Vanessa Murdock is in for Elise Finch with more on the winter storm. Wasn't that a great story?
Wonderful.
I know we're talking about the storm, but I'm just, so focused on
all
that.
around the studio with that one for sure. Not with the weather,
snow, right?
though, right? Well, I'm sure we'll have some frowns. Let's take a look, shall we? Check in with our weather watchers, see what's happening across the region right now. Skies are clear. Temperatures are slowly and steadily dropping for most of us. In Patchogue, it's 12. Northport at just 1 degree. Red Hook, Brooklyn, 9. We're looking at 10 right now in Jackson, New Jersey. Thompson Cove's at 17. So a range across the region. We're going to bottom out in the city close to that 20-degree mark tonight. Let's take you live outside, show you what's happening, shall we? Skies are clear. It's a pretty picture, yes, but we have wet weather on the way. 27 right now, clear and cold with west winds at 3 miles per hour. Let's talk cold because we are now officially racked up for the coldest February. Well, the third coldest February on record. 2015, we had an average temperature of about 24, but back in 1934, well, it was so much colder than it was for us right here, right now. It was about 20 degrees on average. So third coldest February on record. We are wrapping that up in about, let's say 42 minutes. This third coldest February ends. As for your weather headlines moving forward, tomorrow snow arrives midday. It will be steadier, heavier by evening. Then overnight it becomes a wintry mix. Your Monday morning commute will be compromised. The good news is we won't have anything falling from the sky, but those roadways will likely be slick and slushy. We look at the big picture to show what's on the way. Here is our winter weather maker. It makes its impact beginning tomorrow. So hour by hour, here we go. Tonight, skies are clear. Tomorrow morning, it's a mostly cloudy start. Here we are at noon tomorrow. We start to see some snow making its way into the western portions of our viewing area. By 4 o'clock, it's more widespread for us, light to moderate snowfall. Then as we go toward 9 o'clock, watch what's happened. We've got steady, sometimes heavy snow to the north, east, and west of the city, but the city is dealing with a wintry mix at this point, and we have rain to the south. As we head toward the midnight hour, the storm system already making its exit, and we are likely going to see some totals tallying up throughout all this. So let's take a look, shall we? A coating to 2 well south of the city for Monmouth and Ocean counties. We're talking 2 to 4 for the city, points west, and for much of Long Island, but 4 to 6 inches for the north shore of Long Island, Bergen, Westchester counties, including in that Morris County too, and then well to the north, 4 to 6 inches of snow. And then keeping in mind, on top of this snow, especially in and around the city, we could see a layer of ice on top of that with the wintry mix, the sleet, and freezing rain. So expect up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulating on top of the already covered grounds. All right, here we go. Your forecast for tomorrow. It's 33 degrees with that winter storm on the way. Starting at snow, overnight turns to a wintry mix. Your Monday morning commute, again, expect slick roadways. A high of 40 on Monday, skies clearing. Tuesday, it's 35 degrees. Then we have wet weather moving in and warm air, 50 degrees, very spring-like pattern for next week. It does not last. Thursday, we're back down in the 30s.
All right, but I'll just focus on that.
The 5-0. Looking
Thank
lovely,
you very
yes.
much.